everyone, and welcome to another video of Linux for absolutely beginner. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through user and root home directory in Linux, right? Let me click here. When you log in as a root, what are you going to see? You are going to see something called a pound sign, right? And when you are seeing this pound sign, what does that mean? This basically means you are a root user or a power user or admin user. And the default home directory of a root user or admin user, it is /root within the file system, right? And when you log in as a regular user, what happens here is that by default, you will be landed in your home directory, and in front of your prompt, you are going to have a pound sign. And if you type pwd to see where you are, you will see that you are in /home and also your login name, which in this case, mine is S5 Tia, right? And as you guys can see here, a default home directory for a regular user, it is in /home, which is located within the root file system / the user name. And if you are hooked over here on any Linux operating system, let me go ahead and exit back, and I will log in one more time. Exit, and I will exit one more time, and let me go ahead and connect on one of our server here, which is server 4. If you hit enter here, and I'll go ahead and punch my password, and right here, I am trying to log in as a regular user. And when I will log in as a regular user, what will happen here is that, as you guys can see here, I have a $sign in front of my prompt, which means I am a regular user. And if you type pwd, you guys can see that my home directory, it is in /home, my username that I use to log in, which is what? Which is Tia, right? And if you switch to a root user using sudo -i, as you guys can see, if you punch my password here, if I have the proper permission in the sudo file, it will go ahead and switch me to a root user. And when I log in as root, what happened? My prompt, I have the $sign have changed to pound sign, which means I am a power user or an admin user. And if you type pwd here, as you can see here, my home directory, it is in /root within the root file system, right? That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you'll be notified when we publish a new content. Also, please do not forget to follow us on social media, such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.